Okay, so you guys saw the before pictures. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to do a few things to really use each one of these chemicals. I'm going to do a different videos for different chemicals. And the reason I want to do a little extra and make it a little more potent is to show you I'm going to do what I can to give each chemical its best chance for its best results. So therefore, under these circumstances, if it wasn't able to perform well, then obviously for your application it might not perform well either. So as you can see, I'm going to spray some in the spark plug hole. Give it time to work its way in there. Come back over. Okay. Come back to this one. Okay. Sprayed it into that spark plug hole. Let's install the spark plugs. Then we're going to run it through the intake. Okay, now we have the spark plugs. Now let's install the spark plug wires. Okay guys, we're going to fire it up and it's going to get a little loud, so let's get her going and let's spray some down the intake. Start her up. Okay guys, I use this car because this car was the oldest car. It's a 30-year-old car, and if this car can't handle it, or I'm sorry, if the cleaner can't clean these, or if it can, then obviously it's going to be good for your engine. You can see I took the air filter out. That way I can spray it in the intake now that I put it in the spark plug hole. So let's just spray it in the intake. Alright, let's hold the throttle down while we do it. So as you guys can see, it's dripping a little bit because I've allowed it to warm up. Sprayed it in there. Okay. I'm speeding through this process. I've held the throttle down and done this for a while. Can's almost empty. Okay, now we're going to allow it to run for another minute. We're going to turn it off. And then we're going to fire it up, let it run for a minute. I'll skip through all those details, let it heat soak. Fire it up, run it for a few more minutes, drive it, and we'll see the results. Stuff's still dripping out of there. I guess I got a little carried away. Okay, be sure to check out the results. I'm going to open her back up, take the plugs back out. Once I've turned her off, let her sit for a few minutes and follow the rest of the instructions, and we'll see how clean she came.